Hi there! I just did the double wave. I literally told myself, don't do the double wave. Nobody does a double wave. Hi, I'm Cindy, aka The Sub. This place in the YouTube universe is a place for educators of all kinds, classroom teachers, substitutes, student teachers, to come together and share tips and tricks for making our experiences in the classroom so much more rewarding and positive. We're going to talk about classroom management. We're going to talk about instructional strategies. We're going to talk about behavior management. So go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. Or you don't have to. It's not like I'm going to make you do it. But it would be really nice. And I look forward to connecting with you. I just waved again. What? I don't even know.